first project is the stay-at-home spinner. These are really easy to make, so you can make a whole bunch of them, and they're pretty awesome. They're not like an airplane. Well, they are like an airplane, but they spin. So you need a piece of paper. 1 inch from the side, you want to mark it. Do that for both the top and the bottom. Then draw a line across. You're going to cut this out, so get some scissors. Cut that sucker out, and it doesn't have to be perfect. But like I said, there's a lot of space on this paper, so you can make like 10 of them if you wanted to. All right, 1 inch from the bottom, you're gonna mark it. You're gonna do this on both sides on opposite sides. So you want it 1 inch from the bottom, and then you're gonna mark about halfway on both sides. And they're gonna be opposite. You want to connect them at the end. So get some scissors and cut out up to that point that you marked on the paper. Now the next step, you're going to connect them, and they should connect like a puzzle piece. Can be tricky. And there you have it, a spinner. Now watch it in action. The next one is the still at home claw. Start with a piece of paper. 1 piece of paper will make 1 claw. Bring 1 corner and make it so it kind of lines up with the other end. It's kind of hard to say. Just do what the video says. All right, bring that corner that you just made, and you're going to bring that all the way to the end of the other corner. You have half a square. You want to make a square. So bring that other corner and bring it in so you have a square. Now you're going to fold this square in half. Sweet. So now you have one side that has the corners and one side that's open. We're going to use the side with the corners. So this is where you're going to make the form of your finger. So make a kind of a triangle, kind of a shape that your finger can fit into, and then roll it. And once you get enough to tuck it in, you want to tuck that end piece into the finger hole, like so. Now you're going to put your finger in there, and that's 1 finger. Now you obviously have 5 fingers on each hand, so you're going to need at least 4 more to have a full-on monster hand. So get at it.